Hi, Abraham Chege, mixologist Nairobi Safari Club. In our cocktail series, today we are going to make a cocktail known as Safari Espresso Martini. In Safari Espresso Martini, we use Tia Maria, 1.5 part, cream de cassis, 1 part, vodka orange, 1 part, and 1 part of espresso coffee. First of all, we chill our martini glass. Then we can mix our ingredients in our shaker. We start with the coffee maker. One part cream cassis. Vodka orange 1 part. And 1 part of espresso coffee. Let's add some ice. We shake our cocktail to vigorously. Then we pour cocktail martini glass like this. It's supposed to be floating. Then we can garnish with some coffee beans. And that's our espresso martini. Welcome.